Imagine a world where machines learn at lightning speed, finding patterns and solutions in vast data oceans. Welcome to the realm of quantum machine learning, a fusion of quantum computing and traditional machine learning. This cutting-edge technology leverages quantum parallelism and superposition to explore solution spaces and extract patterns from large data sets at an exponential rate. Why is this important? Quantum machine learning opens up new avenues for applications such as drug discovery, optimization, pattern recognition, and quantum-enhanced data analysis. It's like having a supercharged brain capable of solving complex problems in a fraction of the time. Quantum machine learning is not just a futuristic concept, it's a revolution happening here and now, defining our era. So strap in for a mind-blowing ride as we navigate through this fascinating world of quantum machine learning. It's a journey of discovery, and we're just getting started. This is the future of computing. This is quantum machine learning.